Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my review of the meal kit delivery company called Sunbasket. So their team reached out to me to try 3 meals from their program recipe, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I prepared them and my thoughts overall. So I ordered their Thai stir fry with bok choy, black rice, and fried eggs. Then I also selected the shredded chicken with sweet potato hash and a soft boiled egg. And lastly, the spicy mojo marinated steak fajitas with avocado salsa. So those are the three meal recipes that I selected. And pretty much how the program works is that they offer vegan clean options, gluten-free recipes, and each recipe typically feeds about 2 to 4 people. And you can schedule the frequency of how you would want to receive the products, and they also offer weekly frequency for delivery. So I just got a week's worth of food, and when you do place your order, you receive a box that says Sunbasket. Bam. So of course I already made my meals. I just saved the box so that I can show you guys what it looks like. And then each meal comes in a paper bag labeled with the recipe, and inside, so for example, this was the shredded chicken sweet potato hash with a soft boiled egg, soft cooked egg. So it pretty much has all the ingredients you need for each recipe down to the spices. Literally for each recipe, the only thing I had to use out of my pantry was salt and pepper, and just for flavor I had seasoning salt adobo for certain recipes, just because I didn't want it for my taste buds to be bland. But for the most part, all you need from your pantry, salt and pepper, oh yeah, and olive oil and or butter depending on the recipe. So I received 3 of these bags, each of them labeled with the item, and then also, so they all come ice packed. So I'm sure you have, a few hours from once it's delivered to put it in your fridge, but keep it refrigerated and you'll be good. So I also received their magazine. So this was for the week of May 14th. Those are the recipes I selected from, and pretty much let's go to the first one I did. So pretty much I liked that they had a very wide variety of recipe options, whether you're burger, salad, pasta, taco. They really touch each category of foods. So for example, this is the Thai stir fry with bok choy and black rice and fried eggs. So here it is in the booklet. So pretty much you decide which recipe you want to cook that day. They give you all the directions. They even give you some make it leaner or grill it or kids can or ingredient IQ tips to help you through the process of making your recipe. So overall, I did enjoy making all 3 recipes, and it was very straightforward and simple. So now I'm going to show you guys in my kitchen video footage of me making the sweet potato and shredded chicken hash with the soft boiled egg. So enjoy. So that pretty much was me making the shredded chicken and sweet potato hash with the soft-boiled egg recipe, and that actually was one of my favorite recipes, and I actually am going to make that again on my own. So I'm happy that through the 3 recipes I selected, oh, the tacos are really good too, but it was just something about that hash and the soft-boiled egg that was just very, very on point, and my stomach deeply appreciated it. So I'll definitely be adding that to my recipe arsenal. And overall, I would definitely recommend this company. The produce came fresh. Everything tasted good. The recipes were very accurate. I just, you know, added either a little, well, it does say in the recipe book, add your salt and pepper to taste, so that's personal preference. But pretty much the ingredients they gave me were just enough, and actually it fed about 3 to 4 people per recipe. So I had leftovers for the next day, which was awesome. So I will include a link to their website so you guys can learn more, ask any questions, and also if you guys have any questions for me, please leave me a comment. Hit me up on Twitter at YoursTrulyYinka. Pretty much at YoursTrulyYinka is my handle across all social media platforms, or even leave a comment on my Instagram, DM me, let me know, and I can definitely answer to my best ability any questions that you guys have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are a newcomer, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.